look at this 2000 GMC Sonoma. This Sonoma has just under 71,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Sonoma boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include AM/FM stereo and driver airbag. Call 800-236-1206 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.